What's up? Shadow DPS here, Luckenbach, Texas, with the 2018 Honda Goldwing. As you can see, there are several other motorcyclists here today. I'm out here with a coworker. He's on his 2003 Harley Davidson Road King. And again, I'm on the Goldwing. But yeah, a lot of different bikes out here today. People just hanging out. It's about 50 degrees out today. And we're about to make our way back to San Antonio. But I must say, I love this Honda Goldwing. I'm very happy that I bought it. A lot of people out today. A lot of people out and about today. But yeah, this is Luckenbach, Texas. So if any of you guys are looking for a place to hang out in the area, this is it. Very beautiful day out here in South Texas. Out here on Sisterdale Road, headed back to I-10 so I can get back to San Antonio. But yes, I absolutely love this Goldwing. Smooth bike. It is so freaking smooth, so comfy. I got the heated grips on, I got the heated seat on. It's about 50 degrees. However, I am very comfortable on this bike. And let me put this bad boy in sport mode. Even though I really can't go anywhere, I got these bikes in front of me. I don't know who these guys are. I think they're part of a motorcycle club. This Goldwing is absolutely awesome. I haven't been anywhere on it as far as a trip. I haven't really taken it on a highway yet. I am looking forward to that though. I'm still in the break-in period, so I've been pretty gentle with it. But I am looking forward to putting some serious miles on this thing. So where we are is basically about 15 miles south of Fredericksburg, Texas. Fredericksburg is almost the center of some of the hill country wineries, some of the better wineries in Texas. Also have quite a few shops and restaurants in Fredericksburg. Good places to visit and check out if you're in the area. So we're basically heading south, heading towards I-10. And then once I get close to I-10, I go west, I believe, on 46. And then I'll take 16 and I'll head back to San Antonio that way. Well, yeah, I'm still learning A lot of the features of this 2018 Honda Goldwing DCT Tour. So many freaking features. Definitely got a lot for my money with regards to this bike. Yeah, I was just talking to my work buddy over in Luckenbach, and he's definitely the type of guy who loves to travel. So we may take a short trip sometime this year. We'll see. But look at that view, folks. Absolutely gorgeous. The hill country at its best. So the gentleman in front of me has a trike. Looks like a Harley Davidson trike conversion. I think once I get a little too old to ride on two wheels, I might do something similar. I don't want to give it up totally. I'm not sure if I would do a trike or a Can-Am type bike. It's better than not riding, right? More power to it. If you want to stay on a motorcycle platform and you can no longer ride a two-wheel bike, then get yourself a three-wheel bike. Extend your riding life a little longer. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. And I tell you what, riding in cool temperatures like this, especially when the sun's out, is absolutely the best. Much better than riding in 90-degree weather or 100-degree weather. That's just miserable. The older I get, the less tolerant I am with the heat, and the more tolerant I am with these cooler temperatures. From 45 degrees till about 80 degrees is my happy point. Anything above 85, 90, or below 45 is not something that I want to deal with. I've got a couple potential trips on my motorcycle, but I'm also looking at taking a trip without my motorcycle. I'm trying to pay my parents back for being such good parents to me growing up. Not just to me, but my siblings as well. I mean, I didn't grow up rich, you know. My parents were, you know, they were hard workers. They did what they could for us. You know, we never really wanted for anything. They always did what they had to do to take care of me and my brothers and sister. So this summer, I want to treat them to a vacation. And one place that they wanted to check out was Spain. So I'll be heading out with my parents and my sister and her family, along with my daughter, out to Barcelona, Spain this summer, probably in May or June. So I'm really looking forward to it. I've never been to Spain. I've been to other countries in Europe, but I hear a lot of good things about Barcelona. If any of you guys out there have been to Barcelona and have some tips on things to check out, please let me know. I think I'm staying somewhere in the city center, so I think that's a good thing. I heard there's a lot of good restaurants, a lot of good sights to see. The nightlife is pretty good, so if you guys have any suggestions on things to check out and do, let me know. And who knows, I may rent a motorcycle for a little bit, for a day or two while I'm there and ride around the area. We'll see. But very much looking forward to checking out Barcelona, Spain. Should be a very good trip, and hopefully my parents will like it. My mom and dad are getting up there in years, but they're still mobile enough to have a good time. So hopefully they will enjoy that, and I'll be able to spend a little time with them, a little quality time. But besides that trip, like I said, I may have a couple potential motorcycle related trips. We'll see. I'm not going to announce anything just yet. I'll wait until things are a little more solid. My goodness, this thing is awesome, especially in sport mode. And it's so comfy. And I love this electronic windscreen. Just press a button and you can adjust it any way you want. But yeah, I don't have enough miles for my first service yet, my break-in service. Hopefully next weekend I can put some real miles on it. I want to get that break-in service done and do some harder riding on it. So this is Sisterdale, Texas, the town of Sisterdale, Texas. Not much here. I think they have a couple of wineries here, and that's pretty much it, really. Maybe a bar. Yeah, there's a bar on the left-hand side there. Well, yeah, this bike is absolutely awesome. No complaints so far. The only thing I don't like about the bike is this freaking dashboard plastic. It scratches so freaking easy. I've got a couple of small hairline scratches on it. I guess that could be from dust, I don't know. But yeah, that's very frustrating. On a brand new bike and I already have some scratches on the freaking plastic here. Not a lot, just a couple, but still. Everything else about this bike is awesome. I just wish the luggage capacity was a little larger. But I knew it when I bought the bike, so it wasn't a surprise. If I wanted luggage, you know, a large luggage capacity capability, I would have bought the Yamaha Venture. But to me, the Venture was a little too big and not as peppy as this Goldwing is. So it was a trade-off. But it is what it is. Both are good bikes, and I'm happy with the purchase. My purchase for the most part. No regrets. The Road King. Yours is nice. I like it. I like it. All right, there he is. Him and his Harley. It's Harley Davidson. Tell you what, his bike sounds awesome. Sounds pretty good. So he's got a 2003. I think he installed a Stage 3 kit on it. Installed cruise control. And he's done some other modifications to his bike. And it's a good looking bike. A lot of compliments on it. And that's one thing about Harley Davidson. The fit and finish of those bikes are very good. Well, that's all I have for you today. You guys be safe out there, and I will talk to you later. later. Peace.